This is Channel News.
I'm Jane Pilar.
And I'm Marian Samson.
For breaking news, band attack in Cagayan de Oro City.
For our sports news, Iran won the FIBA Championship 2013 against Philippines this Sunday.
For showbiz news, Chito Miranda and Neri Nae sex scandal issue. A few weeks ago, there is a bombing attack in Cagayan de Oro City, and it did not only take lives, it also destroyed the city's traffic. The attack, which occurred in a commercial area on July 26, 2013, left 8 people dead and 40 people wounded. Most of the victims were doctors and health practitioners who were in the city for a convention. According to the mayor of Cagayan de Oro City, Oscar Moreno, the northern Mindanao is the fastest growing region in Mindanao. But the incident dampened the enthusiasm. Despite the tragedy, Moreno expressed hope that the city will recover and regain its security. According to him also, this will only happen if the perpetrators are identified, their motives are determined, and they are arrested. Aiming short of that is not a solution, he said. The only way that we can restore confidence and bring back Cagayan de Oro City's security is to solve the killing, he added. The mayor also said the incident should serve as a wake-up call for police as well as the residents in the effort to maintain peace and order. No group has claimed responsibility for the attack. The mayor has also ruled out business rivalry, saying there is healthy competition among business and the city.
Multiple murder complaints have been filed against 3 subjects in a bombing asserted Asman Hafiz from Lanao del Sur and 2 others. A Senate hearing was held on Wednesday to probe the attack, which turned out to be the first in a series of bomb attacks in Mindanao in recent weeks. However, authorities have yet to determine in the incident and the blast of Cotabato City and Mid-Sayab, North Cotabato are linked. Pag sinabi natin interrelated na kulang ang aming datos, unnecessarily naghati kami ng takot sa publiko. Pag sinabi naman namin na hindi interrelated at konektado pala itong mga ito, mali kami. Mahirap magsalita kung hindi pa kumpleto ang impormasyon, said Interior and Local Secretary Mar Rojas. Some senators, meanwhile, raised fears that the violence could spread to other parts of the country, particularly in Metro Manila. Authorities have assurances that there is no such threat, but that they remain no alert. They also vowed not to stop until they get justice for the victims.
After the bombing incident, let's hear the report of Giselle Fuentes.
Yes, Jane, I am here at the Candies Bar where the bombing incident happened a few weeks ago and still undergo of investigation. We have spotted the manager of Candies restaurant and let's interview her. Miss Baaya, how are you feeling today after the bombing incident?
So far so good, but still afraid of the bomb.
How was the operation of your restaurant after the bombing incident?
We just clean our premises, but we have not yet decided to renovate yet the family because we're undergoing investigation.
Thank you, Ms. Baaya. This is Giselle Fuentes reporting. Back to you, Jane.
Thank you, Giselle Fuentes.
For our sports news, Iran won the FIBA Championship against Philippines, and let's hear it from Christian Lopez.
Silver medalists and players and team officials of the Gilas Filipinas with SCP Vice Chair Ricky Vargas and Viva Asia Secretary General Hago Kahirian. During the awards ride, August de la Cruz, it was a dream very few believed would see fruition at the start. After being crowned as the second best basketball team in Asia, Gilas Filipinas now wants to dream so more. There's no question that it's the best team that we have worked with attitude, wise, talent-wise, and what have you. Vargas said, but thinking with a lineup for Spain is a positive if you want to be competitive.
Up next, Chito Miranda and Neri Naig's sex scandal. So stay tuned, cause we'll be right back after the break.
Hey! Why don't you pick on someone your own size?
Where do they get a load of me? I am gonna make Kick-Ass pay for what he did to my dad. Hands in the air, spring roll. Empty the register and don't do anything stupid. No! Go, go, go! I just want to be able to kill Kick-Ass with my bare hands. I gotta tweet about this.
I want to team up, like Batman and Robin.
Okay, Robin wishes he was me.
What I'm trying to say is we should be partners.
You ready to go again?
What do you want me to do?
Hit me.
You're a 15-year-old girl. Absolutely not. Please.
Fine.
Don't just say fine and then shoot me in the chest. That's not cool, like at all.
Okay. Jeez.
Me and Hit Girl were training every day. And there were more and more people joining us every night.
Colonel Stars and Stripes, supporting for duty.
Who the hell are you?
We're the good guys.
You're the dead guys.
Franz, wieder. Ow! Jesus! Yeah, there's a dog on your back.
A world full of superheroes, huh?
Oh my god. Marty? Yeah, I know I recognized your voice.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know, Marty.
I'm building an evil army.
Who is this guy?
He's claiming to be the world's first real supervillain.
My daddy made me promise I'd never stop defending this city. And that's exactly what I'm going to do.
The anticipation's killing me.
Take it down! What's the burning?
For Showbiz News, Chito Miranda breaks his silence about their sex scandal issue with Neri Naig.
Yes, Jane, I am here in the hotel where Chito Miranda is staying. Excuse me, Mr. Chito. What can you say about your sex scandal? We are truly saddened by the fact that 9 weeks nakadit video namin ni Neri Naig. Sa pamilya ni Neri Naig, I am sincerely sorry. Sana mapatawad niyo po ako. Walang kasalanan si Neri dito. It's all my fault. I hope and pray na sana hindi maibang sa salamat. Thank you, Mr. Miranda. This is Giselle Fuentes reporting. Back to you, guys.
And let's hear from Angelica Santos, interviewed the spokesperson of Neri Naig about the issue.
It's not just a case. Rocky Garbo believes Chito Miranda and his girlfriend deserve justice. This lawyer and former executive Barca Philippines spokesman Julie Cruz Angeles thinks about the controversial Miranda-Neri sex video. Also, legal counsel for the National Commission for the Cultural Arts, Cruz Angeles, noted that the issue is not really about making a consensual sex video.
What two people do in the bedroom is none of our business, so long as it's consensually adult. But when someone illegally uploads a video that's intended for public consumption, those two people in the video become victims and deserve, if not sympathy, justice. They do not need to hear our comments that they were incredibly stupid for making the video in the first place. There is no law against saying that, but there isn't one that says they can take consensual sex video of themselves either. The person who did that is the one that ought to be punished, the one who ought to be the receiving end of the outrage.
And that is all for today, and this is Channel News.